Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make 3 different treats for any kid's birthday party. They are so easy to make and so delicious, so let's get started. Our first dessert are chocolate covered marshmallow cake pops. You take your marshmallow and cake pop stick. You will press the cake pop stick against the marshmallow and then dip it in some melted dark chocolate or white chocolate if you want. You can decorate the marshmallows using any sprinkles you want. You will place them upside down on a parchment paper so they will not stick onto the surface. Then repeat the process, dip into the melted chocolate, and you can also dip it into the sprinkles. Our first treat is done, so let's move to the next one. Now it's time to make our second treat. We are going to make chocolate Rice Krispies cups. They are so easy to make, so let me show you how to make. In a big bowl, you will melt your dark chocolate and then you will add your Rice Krispies Cereals. Fold them into the chocolate using your spatula. The chocolate cools easily, so you need to be very fast. Using 2 spoons, take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and place it into each cup. Our chocolate Rice Krispies cups are ready, so let's get moving to the third and last treat. Our third and last treat are Oreo Cream Cups. They are very easy to make, so let me show you how to make. In a bowl, you will add your cream and powdered sugar. You will whip this for about 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks. Our cream is at the right consistency. Now it's time to add our Oreo cookie crumbs. I will add about 2 tablespoons of them and mix it using a spoon. Because I want the mixture to be easier to pipe, I will put it into a nice piping bag. You are going to put about 1 teaspoon of the Oreo cookie crumbs in the bottom of each cup. Now take your piping bag and put some of the mixture into the cups. You can decorate the cups using some mini Oreo cookies, or you can add some white whipped cream. Our 3 easy treats for parties are ready. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.